Hello from Promed. Today we will see the working of creatinine reagent. The kit contains one bottle of R1 creatinine reagent, one bottle of standard 2 mg concentration, and one bottle of R2 reagent, and instructions for use. We recommend all users to read it thoroughly. Apart from it, you may require additional items like pipettes, timer, test tubes, etc. Now let us look at the preparation of working reagent. The working solution is prepared by taking one volume of R1 and mixing it with one volume of R2. The wave Mix it well for maturation. The wavelength has to be set in between 490 and 540 nanometer. In our video we have kept it at 505. The standard concentration is 2 mg. As per the machine aspiration, you can either use 500 microliters of reagent volume or 1000 microliters of reagent volume. If you are using 500 microliters of reagent volume, use 50 microliters of sample, and if you are using 1000 microliters of reagent volume, use 100 microliters of sample. In our video, we are using 500 microliters of reagent volume. To prepare this, use equal volume of 250 microliters of R1 and 250 microliters of R2. Mix it well and take the readings at intervals. Do not mix the standard or sample at this stage. We will mix it at the time of aspiration. For creatinine, you can either use serum or patient urine sample. Now there are three tubes which we have taken as per the procedure, two for standard and one for test. As you can see, we are now taking 250 microliters of reagent R1 in all three tubes. Once this is done, we will take reagent R2 in all three tubes. Make sure to change the tip before using R2 to avoid interference and contamination. Now we have changed the tip and we will use the new bottle of R2 reagent and take 250 microliters of R2. Mix it thoroughly and keep this mixture for 10 minutes. Do not mix the standard or sample at this stage. We will mix it at the time of aspiration. Program creatinine on a semi-automatic biochemistry analyzer. Creatinine. As you can see, we have set the wavelength as 505. Aspirate water. Now the instrument is asking to aspirate standard. Now we will take 50 microliters pipette and take 50 microliters from the standard bottle and mix it in the first tube marked as S. Mix it thoroughly and aspirate the mixture. After a delay time of 20 seconds, we will get the initial absorbance. The intervals are 2 times at 20 seconds and 80 seconds respectively. Now save these values and the instrument will ask to aspirate again. Now use 50 microliters of standard and put it in the second tube marked as S. Again mix it well and aspirate this mixture. Now we will get the reading of standard concentration, which should be around 2 mg as mentioned earlier. Uh, as you can see, there is a delay time of 20 seconds, and after that will be a reading time of 80 seconds. Once this is done, we will get the concentration. The concentration is around 2.1, which is as per the requirement. Now use a different tip to take the patient sample and mix it in the third tube marked as T, which stands for test. Aspirate this mixture, and now again after a delay time of 20 seconds and read time of 80 seconds, we will get the patient result. The patient concentration is 1.21. For expected values, refer literature. Thank you.